Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a device from the Wansview Cloud app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to remove your Sonato indoor security camera from your Wansview Cloud app. How do you actually go ahead and delete a device? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on the Wansview Cloud app and then go ahead and log in. Now, once you're logged in, we're going to click on the gear icon of the device that you want to go ahead and delete. Next, you want to scroll down, click on Device Management, and then click on Delete Device. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete a device from the Wansview Cloud app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.